Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC. First, you will need a reliable emulator designed for mobile gaming. GameLoop is an excellent choice, offering a seamless experience specifically optimized for PUBG Mobile. It handles graphics and performance very well, making your gameplay enjoyable from the start. This platform is widely trusted for its stability and user-friendly interface. After downloading GameLoop, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts. The installation process usually takes only a few minutes, depending on your computer's specifications. Once GameLoop is fully ready, open its application, use the search bar to find PUBG Mobile, and then proceed to download the game. The emulator handles all the necessary game files and setup for you automatically, ensuring a smooth transition into gameplay. GameLoop comes with preset keyboard and mouse controls that are well optimized for PUBG Mobile, making it feel very natural. However, you can easily access the key mapping tool to customize any button to your preference. Fine-tune your aiming sensitivity and movement speed within the game settings to achieve the most precise control possible. Experimenting with these options will greatly enhance your gameplay experience. For the best experience, experiment with your in-game graphics settings. Lowering them can significantly improve frame rates, especially on less powerful machines. Always ensure your computer meets the recommended system specifications for GameLoop and PUBG Mobile for optimal performance. You are now ready to enjoy the competitive edge of playing PUBG Mobile with the precision of a keyboard and mouse. Have fun in your matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.